paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Why don't we make Dandiya today? Alright Bubbles, let's go! Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. For this, we will require 2 A4 size papers. Now, it's time for us to roll it. Roll it into a beautiful cylinder. Let's roll it carefully. Make sure the thickness of the dandiya is not too much. Now, let's put some glue and fix it right here. That's great. Now, let's stick it properly and keep it aside. Now, why don't we do the same thing for the other stick as well? We will roll it. Use the glue and stick it. Make sure that you stick it properly. Press the corners and here you go. The sticks are ready. It is called dandiya. Now, why don't we take thin strips of different color and start rolling it? Yes, on top of the stick. Why don't we put some glue and start sticking? This looks great, isn't it? Let's stick it properly. Once this is done, we will take another piece and stick it in the same manner. Why don't we continue sticking it at the bottom? Let's complete the entire stick in a similar way. Now, why don't we stick it nicely and cut the excess part? This is great! Why don't we do the same thing for the other one? Lovely! It's time for us to decorate it now. You can use your sketch pen to decorate it, or you can also use stickers or beads and stick it right on top. Let's start making this beautiful design. You can also create your own design. Why don't we make it at the bottom? And let's make the same thing, maybe with another color on the next stick. This looks great! You can also make these polka dots right here. Why don't we make it on the entire stick? That's great. Now, let's repeat the same step on the other stick. Let's make beautiful circles right here. You can also choose different colors for this. And we're ready. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video.